if you have subscribed to one of our seed boxes, the typical mail that you would receive will look something like this. In this tutorial, my basic objective is to teach you how to use the ruTorrent Seedbox on any kind of operating system. We do have a dashboard, but right now it is only for Windows users. So the most important link that you have in this mail is this ruTorrent link, which I'm highlighting here right now. So this part is your link area, and what you have to do is you have to copy this link, and either you can, if your browser supports it, you can directly go to the link like this, or you would have to open up a new tab and copy and paste the link on it. So which would look something like this. So once your iTorrent web panel fires up, you can add torrents. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to add torrent from a torrent website. And in this tutorial, I'm showing the Kali Linux download. So I highly recommend to create a new folder in your desktop, which I've already created, and name it as torrents. Because if you keep on downloading it on your downloads folder, it will get cluttered and it would be much difficult for you to find the relevant torrent you're trying to download. So I've already created it. If you're not, I highly recommend it, but you can also use the downloads folder if that is more convenient for you. So after that, I would search Linux, and here I can see here it is, the Kali Linux. So I would save link as, and I would choose the folder I had initially created to save my torrents, and I'll hit save. So once it is done, I can choose the file like this, and I've already browsed it to my torrents folder, and click open and then add file. So as you can see, once you load the torrent and the torrent is started downloading on your server, it would take a few minutes or so to get it complete. And once it's complete, you could do a FTP transfer. But in this tutorial, our objective is not to teach you that. So I'll teach you a few other ways how you can add torrents to ruTorrent. So I'm going to remove this for now. And what I'll do is I'll show you how to transfer it directly, like from the folder where you have downloaded the torrent. This tutorial, it will get directly, we will drag and drop the torrent file onto the ruTorrent. So the way to do it is you have to go to your folder's torrents, and you can directly drag and drop the ruTorrent link here. So as you can see, the drag and drop functionality works fantastic, and you can load the torrents directly like that if that is a more convenient way for you to process your torrents. One other way you can add torrents is you can go to the torrent websites, and you can either uh, just a second, I'll just remove it first. Mm, yeah. So what you have to go to the torrent website, and you can copy the torrent link, but mind you, it will not work on private trackers. So it's up to you. If you're using public trackers, then this is the way to go. You have to put it in this torrent URL. I think I did it quite quickly, so I'll do it again. So you choose your torrent, you right click on it and copy the copy link address, and then you go to the add torrent button, and you paste the link back into it. And then what you can do is you can add the URL, and as you can see that the system has detected the torrent and it will start loading. You can similarly do it with magnet links. The process is quite similar. You can go here, copy a link address, and paste it here. So for magnet links, first it will get the hash data, it will get removed, and then the actual file will start downloading. So I think it should be pretty easy for you to get started with this basic information on ruTorrent. If you have any questions or if you want me to add something for ruTorrent, feel free to add it in the comments. Thank you and have a nice day.